Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a live site, original content, and ownership verification. Once done, sign in with your Google account and open the AdSense sign-up flow. Follow on-screen prompts to enter site URL and contact details. Make sure to add a visible privacy policy and contact page because Google checks policy compliance. Submit your application and paste the verification code into your site header. This proves ownership and triggers the review. Expect review times to vary. Be ready to fix issues quickly. Once approved, you move to implementation. Create ad units and consider responsive sizes so ads adapt to screens. You should place code snippets where they load early but do not block content. Use header insertion or a tag manager for control. Enable auto ads to let AdSense test placements, then fine-tune with manual units for high-value slots. Make sure to set ad category filters and blocking controls. This improves user experience and earnings. Monitor layout changes so ads don't violate policies. You finish by optimizing and confirming payments. Review performance metrics like RPM and CTR, then run simple A/B tests to compare placements and formats. Make sure your site speed is fast and mobile-friendly. Slow pages drop earnings. If ads disappear, check policy notifications and ad blocker interference and recheck code insertion. For payments, verify bank details and tax info and reach the payment threshold. If a problem persists, use the Publisher Console and Policy Center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.